Alright, Robert, Michigan's Handyman. Fire restoration. This floor is 9-inch tiles. Asbestos. Going to be removed by an asbestos company, so it's done professionally and makes me not liable. All these studs will be painted with a white shellac to seal in the odor smell on the entire house. We're going to replace the windows for this nice lady. This ductwork got wet. We're going to replace that. Just a roundabout. 2 full dumpsters already. And upstairs, that's going to have to be replaced. It ain't got nothing to do with the insurance though. Tomorrow or Friday, we're gonna get ice blasting guys in here, and they're gonna ice blast all that black crap off up until where it's bad, about right here, halfway through. Ice blast everything we can and replace the rest, and then shellac all the studs and floors and anything wood. That's about it. Robert, Michigan's Handyman, give us a call for all your restoration needs. Have a good day.